Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you the most reliable way to transfer your Google Chrome bookmarks from one computer to another. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome on the computer that currently has your bookmarks. Look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser and click on them. Hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists, then click on Bookmark Manager. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, look for the second set of three vertical dots. These are located in the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager page itself. Click on them and select Export Bookmarks. Choose an easy-to-find location to save the file, like your desktop, and click Save. This creates an HTML document containing all your saved links. Next, you need to transfer this file to your new computer. You can safely copy it to a USB flash drive, email it to yourself, or upload it to a cloud service like Google Drive. Once you have the HTML file accessible on your new computer, open Google Chrome. Just like before, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Go to Bookmarks and Lists, and select Bookmark Manager. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the Manager page, but this time select Import Bookmarks. Locate the HTML file you just transferred, select it, and click Open. And that is it. All your bookmarks are now successfully moved and ready to use on your new computer. If this quick guide helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.